You gotta... Okay, go ahead.
Nothing to it.
Women have no problem with this.
And people who are athletic, like me. And so you just bend over and you just gotta get it
You gotta
behind
put
you.
both legs, yeah.
And you can't let go of it.
You can do one leg at a time over the broom
Or you can
handle.
do a double jump.
Let's see that.
Well, either would be effective. I can do it either way, I'm sure. So. I'm gonna get back out. I think I'm gonna go with the double jump. I don't know if this broom must not be regulation size or something. Something's goofy.
Do the double
I
jump.
just gotta step over it. So it's like jumping rope. Oh, fuck! Fudgicles! I broke my beak and bent my knee. Son of a sucker! All right.
The ice pack. Okay. Take two. 1 foot over.
Right in my old wound.
Okay. No, you can't do that.
Yeah, you can.
Okay, good.